If you want to block an IP address in your Namecheap account, this video will walk you through the process step by step. This is a simple way to protect your hosted websites from unwanted traffic, suspicious visitors, or repeated access from a specific IP address. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting plans are listed. Find the hosting plan that you want to manage, and next to it, click Go to cPanel. This will take you into the control panel for that hosting account. Now that you're in cPanel, look for the Security section. Inside that section, you'll see an option called IP Blocker. Click on it to open the tool. The IP Blocker feature allows you to stop a specific IP address from accessing websites hosted under that cPanel account. On the IP Blocker page, you'll see a field where you can enter the IP address you want to block. Carefully type or paste the IP address into the box. Make sure the address is correct, because blocking the wrong IP could prevent the wrong user or network from reaching your site. If needed, double-check the IP before moving forward. Once the IP address is entered, click Add cPanel. We'll then save the block, and that IP will be prevented from accessing any websites hosted under that cPanel account. This can be especially useful if you're dealing with spam, repeated abuse, or suspicious traffic that you want to cut off quickly. And that's it. You've now successfully blocked an IP address in your Namecheap hosting account through cPanel. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.